Stop just watching. Start speaking English with me. Just repeat after me and improve your spoken English from day one. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Daily Series, Day 1. In this video, you will practice speaking simple sentences in English with me. The lessons are specially designed for beginners' spoken English practice. First, listen carefully and then repeat after me. I'll say each sentence 3 times. Just follow 3 steps. First, listen. Repeat after me slowly. Repeat it confidently. Don't be shy. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak loudly and clearly. I'm learning English. Repeat slowly. I am learning English. Repeat confidently. I'm learning English. I want to speak English. Repeat slowly. I want to speak English. Repeat confidently. I want to speak English. I practice every day. Repeat slowly. I practice every day. Repeat confidently. I practice every day. English is easy. Repeat slowly. English is easy. Repeat confidently. English is easy. I am improving. Repeat slowly. I am improving. Repeat confidently. I'm improving. I'm not worried now. Repeat slowly. I am not worried now. Repeat confidently. I'm not worried now. Done? Great job. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident. Now save this video to practice daily. Comment done after your practice. See you in the next lesson.